Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to draft and extrude this component. First go to create sketch and just assign some view which is convenient for you and click this pane. Now sketching option got enabled. Now we're going to sketch it. I'm going to draw a line which is going to part the x-axis because in this method I'm going to draw one half and I'm going to mirror the other half using mirror option. So let's begin. I'm going to begin with the bottom, which is 150 mm length. I'm going to divide it into half and 75 mm I'm going to draw from the bottom, 75, and 30 mm to the top, and other 30 mm to the right, 45 mm to the 45 mm, and to the right we need to extend the line to 30 mm, and again you need to draw a line with a length 30 mm, and finally join this. You could get a 15 mm length. Now we are going to draw now we are going to draw a line which is 4.5 mm below the 30 mm line. We need to draw a line interior to the boundary. So let's draw another line. Just draw a random line. Let's dimension it afterwards. Okay. Now we're going to dimension it so that we can easily mirror it. Just go to dimension option and just extend all the lines in the outer because we already drawn the line with a particular required dimension, 15. This should be 40, 45, and 30. This should be 4.5. Okay, finally we got the required dimension. Now we are going to extrude it. Go to mirror and select all the lines. We don't need to bother about the blue and the black lines because we got the required shape, so we don't need to dimension it. It's not necessary here. Just do this line and OK. Now we got the required shape. Now go to solids, extrude. We're going to extrude this outer line to the of 10.5. So give 10.5 here, 10.5. Just go OK, and again go to extrude. Now we are going to extrude the interior surface. Before that, we need to draw the line on the top so that we can extrude. Go to create sketch and line. We're going to draw line on this plane. We're going to draw line. And again we are going to extrude it. Go to solids, extrude. We are going to extrude backwards. Click this plane and it should be 4.5 mm minus 4.5 because we are going to extrude it backward. Just do OK, and we got required shape here. This is the required shape. That's all about this video, guys. Just like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you, guys.